What up, chestnuts? I'm gonna make a video today. Pretty simple video, honestly. There's just no space to work on the TI in here, given that, you know, the rents, they be stacking it in pretty thick with it in here. But today I'm just gonna clean out the garage. Really simple. I wanna make a video for something, and this is a good excuse to do so. First step, we gotta get the truck out of the way, get the TI out of here. Get the TI out of here, and then just start hauling stuff out of the way. We got a lot of leftover sessions hanging out in here. Just literally everything, just a bunch of junk. But it'll be nice when I'm done. Be nice. Okay, so another thing I'm noticing while I'm cleaning this bench, these water stains are just doing, water stains are killing the bench. And everything else, you just set something up there for 2 seconds and it's permanently on there. So maybe another day I'll paint the bench. I'd like to put something on it to protect it and just make it feel better and look less trashy, easier to clean. I mean, I just wiped this off and it looks disgusting. Time to address this corner. Mostly scoop parts and BMW parts that haven't been used yet. And then we'll move on to the cleaning pile. And then finally, that pile, however you want to categorize that pile, that's what we're moving on to next. But for now, we're going to do the BMW / scoop pile. Okay, so check this out right here. This is glass that I just uncovered from whatever this thing is. It's been sitting there like my whole life. But this is glass from the OG BMW, you know, the 328. I had it in the garage and I smashed the windshield out of it to get it out of the way. The car was totaled, but I just uncovered some glass. That car's been gone for 4 years now. That's kind of crazy, but she lives on. Alright, after a long battle with the garage, I'm kind of realizing this isn't a one-day job. Got way too detailed with the toolbox. I mean, it's nice and organized. Every little piece of it's where it should be. Ayo. But there's just way too many niche things that I don't want to just smash into a box and forget about. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't turn 3 parts. It cannot turn 3 parts. But that's it for this one. See you later, chess pieces.